Yeah, just kind of got to wait it out. A lot of volume, a lot of movement here. A lot of up and down. Yeah, we'll see. See, we want to I definitely want to go to the top side. Like yesterday was kind of, yeah. We'll see. We'll see if we can get to top side. Definitely want to see the 920s break. Try to get away from BWAP. Good target of previous day high. I want to see it break previous day high, but it's just a good target as far as just to give us some type of direction of where to go. So I would definitely like to see that. But I would like to see, previous week high. Like I would like to get up to that level. At least try to get up here. If not, break. But this has been the area, and I think I've been kind of stating it like the 30K level has been like a big area of interest for me. I want to see that area get broken. But we have had a very, very hard time. But it's a monster level. This whole area, this little these two lines. Yeah, we're due. We're due. I mean, we had, I don't know, like what, Friday, four end of day closures so far in a week, or not a week, but like in the past 4 trades have been end of day. Yeah, I let my computer run just like with the stream going, and then I came back and I was like in profit. I was like right at like 3:30. I was like 3:25. I came and checked it. I just I was I set an alert at topside orb. I was just like, okay, waiting for that one stop loss, and then 2, like, do we get a breakout? But like it was already like 3:30, and like I never got my alert. And I was like, man, where is price? And I see it's like green. I'm like, what? We actually came back. Because we were pretty, we were, I wouldn't say deep in drawdown, but we were definitely in drawdown, like midline. And midline absolutely held, which was crazy. Yeah, but yeah, don't get discouraged or anything. It's everyone's, not everyone, but like there's a majority of traders are like, I can't say everyone, but or dealing with this too. We're not the only ones. It's definitely not an isolated thing. Yeah, it was, well, like just very slow movement. But oh man. Yeah, the midline held. I mean, it saved us, honestly. Sort of taking a loss. I wouldn't say we've been getting lucky. I mean, obviously, it's just the indicator has been doing its job with the stop loss. But as far as like, man, it's been going deep into drawdown, like crazy deep, and then obviously surviving, but definitely testing patience and discipline there. I will say that for sure. You know, that's the other thing. It's like that's why, like, for this strategy, end of day is like it works so well. It's just because you can like, you don't have to worry about that stress. Yeah. Honestly, like I'm at the point where like it doesn't, I don't care if it hits stop loss or like, I mean, obviously I like when it hits TP, but like if it's stop loss, it's just like, all right, you know, I just rather do it quickly, not like take 7 hours. Like if we need to hit it, just hit it, you know, not take all day. Because definitely, you know, I'm just setting alerts and just like walking away because it's like not gonna sit there and babysit it. There's no point. Because it like from like the patterns of what it's doing is like breaking out, reversing, going deep into drawdown, and then eventually still coming back out, like, you know, in profit. So it's like there's really no point in trying to fight with it. Just trying to just let it do its thing. Yeah, we'll see. Let's see if we hold uh, previous day high. Like I said, once we could get over this like 30K area, I think it's gonna rip. But it's just getting over it is just like, it seems like a nightmare. See, like, yeah, so we can get over this area here. Like this box. This box here is like this is like kill zone of like where, you know, it could die or, you know, push. So this is the area, like if we can just get through this, we'll be good. Because, you know, now we have some really good levels up here. And then like I would like, you know, obviously these ones, but this one, and then start, if we could take out, you know, then we can tackle these highs. So I was hoping to get this whole run. I mean, I get the whole run, but like we would start, you know, create a whole run. But yeah, previous week high would be kind of the, can we get over it? Because I would like to see a pullback. Like I don't want it to just go straight up because we're gonna need some type of pullback. So if we can get the orb, get a pullback, and then break, that's my ideal situation. let price make structure before the breakout. Like if we like close, push a little more, maybe to here, get a pullback into like this fair value gap, once if it creates one, that is, and previous day high, and we hold, and then we can start, you know, making some structure, and then hopefully push out. I do like this, you know, flat on VWAP, nice bounce off VWAP, pushing away from it. You know, that's kind of like the key thing. But that's the other thing we've been struggling with is VWAP. VWAP has just been kind of like it's like I said, because it can act like gravity. Like right here, you just kind of is stuck on it. You know, we can, you know, pull away from it. Gives us some better chances. All right, see if we get a pullback. I would like to see some type of pullback. So some type of fair value gap made with this big candle here, then a pullback, and then the range, and then the other thing I want to see is it break out before 10 o'clock. not this like taking forever to break out, because obviously the earlier the breakout, the higher chances, the higher probability of as we get later in the day, you know, obviously those chances do decline. Not like crazy. It's not like it's like a big swing, but it, you know, obviously the first hour is like the best. Is the best for it. Yeah, so we're above the 3K, the 30,000 mark. Now the next level would be breaking these highs, where the previous week high is. So that was like basically that was part one right there. Part one is getting over the 30K. We've achieved that. We just need to hold, retest the 30K if we can come back to it, kind of prove that we're above it, and then kind of do the same thing with the, what is this, 30, like the 70s area. Because what we don't want to do is just reject off of it. Yeah, so this is a potential rejection area. Yeah, so I want to see a pullback. See if we can push through. If we push through, it's fine. But if we can just make a fair value gap holds, we don't reverse, then we can continue up, making some type of structure to the upside. I just don't want this to rip without a pullback, with any type of structured pullback. Because if it breaks out, price is still going to want to come back. It might want to come back. I mean, it's not for sure if it will. It could just, rip up. What was that, a couple Mondays ago where just price ripped up for, I don't know, like 5 hours? Yeah, that's the big kind of iffy thing. Yeah, just let this. It says orb form. I mean, it's a pretty big orb. It's almost 200 points. Yeah, I want to see this candle close, possibly push back into the the FEG. We hold, break to the upside, and see what we get. We're definitely due. All right, we're coming back to the 30K level, so see if we retest. Got about a minute. About a minute. Yeah, the only thing I'm a little kind of nervous about is that previous week high level, because it's right where the breakout would be. And that's, like I said, that's possibly a rejection zone where price, definitely could reverse on us. But so I'd be kind of curious to see if we push down into that fair value gap and if we hold it. But I mean, it's a little bit of a pullback here, so that's not bad. What's also helping is where the breakout candle is. If it does break out, because it's, it pushing 50 points would be kind of hard. Because that's what, about 40 points to the breakout point. So long as we don't go like around here, we're fine. Because that would have to be like 100, almost like an 80-point candle. But we'll see. I expect some type of retest as well. But the only thing that's good is like we have some safety nets. If price does come back, we do have some safety nets. Oh man, it's looking like a big candle. All right, about 240-ish left. All right, we went over 50 points. See if we come back down. A giant candle. See if you pull back a little bit. Yeah, really, really close. Not anymore. You do take this, just be careful. See if we pull back. Let's see, where's 50 points? That's over 50 points, but pretty big. I don't know. I mean, I want to take this, but it's pretty extended. Yeah, it's a little too overextended for me. Much as I do like it, it's just really overextended for me. I mean, this could rip, honestly, but this is just fucking huge. How big is this candle? about 100 points. It's a little too far for me. Like I said, it could rip. Honestly, there's definitely a chance this could rip out, but this is really extended. There you go. It's there's a good chance this rips. But those are like the big candles are the really dangerous ones. Yeah, I already cleared everything I wanted to clear too. Yeah, if we were to get like a pullback, I would be like definitely interested, but yeah, if it comes back down, I mean, there is a chance that we do come back down, but I'm just gonna wait it out. But this is a what 140 point candle. Very big move there. Like I said, if you do take it, just be careful. But I mean, it can definitely go to TP. That's like, not crazy, but yeah, only 140 points. Yeah, definitely don't. Be nice if we did get this pullback. That's why I definitely would rather wait. If we were to get like some type of deep pullback and close back in and actually get like a normal breakout, that'd be fantastic. But see if this FEG holds, or if it just rips. Yeah, see if previous week high holds. Yeah, it looks like hold in and see if it breaks this level, you might be able to get the run. We'll see. We got 3 minutes left on the 1 hour or 4 hour, 1 hour and 30-minute candle here. Huge candle here. There it goes. Yeah, it looks like if this goes, it's gonna be a huge run. Yeah, definitely pushing. Definitely can hit like the 280s. I don't know. I don't even check it. I just basically I just stream it so I have it like so it's not saving to my computer. So then I just pull the clips from whatever I need from there. It's like a lot easier because these streams like 7 hours of streaming or like recording is a very big file. If they make construction to topside, I mean, if it did come down, like there'd possibly be like some type of entry, but like as of right here, just like nothing really to do. Yeah. Volume is definitely decreased. Maybe. Yeah, I want to see. I want to see if price comes down. It's got. It's it's a big 4 hour candle here, or the previous one at least. See if we come in, tap anything, do anything come down. We'll take. I was willing to see. I'll take a look at it, but right now, it just it's just way too far. So see if price were to come down and do something, possibly retest, possibly come back into orb. I mean, there's a possibility of that, but we'll have to see if we get the opportunity. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna come back down. Definitely trying to go up. Yep, looks like it. Oh man. Yeah, I think it's already too far gone. 150 points. Oh boy. Kind of just stalling out a little bit. It seems like it's gonna get a pullback. Not for a TP, but we'll see. I mean, yeah, it could work. It definitely could work. It just they tend to fail, and also like you take any type of pullback, you're in drawdown. It's a little bit tougher. It's not like they have like a 100% failure rate. I mean, they do work. It just is a little risky. Yeah, I mean, definitely could work. I mean, there's a lot of things working in its favor. Definitely a lot of levels that were broken. I expect a pullback, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I don't know if it's gonna happen for TP. Hmm. It's kind of stuck at that 50%. Yeah, rules are good. Is it finally gonna break this level? Been trying to. Oh, there it goes. Nah, it's yeah, it did its thing. Surprised it didn't try to retest that fair value gap at all. Yeah, definitely let the market kind of do its thing, kind of get into the right position. But yeah, I was hoping at least to have it come back into the fair value gap of this big candle here. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. How realistic is TP2? Let's take a look.